woke up at 5:30 today, aiming to start my studies after 6:30. So you might be wondering what I'm going to do. Well, today I am going to actually do some workout, which is very, very new for me. Well, yeah, I think it's kind of boring, but okay, I should have got my air notes. Wait, I'm gonna get them because otherwise I'll lose my motivation really quickly. Hi. So, right now it's like 12 minutes. I was actually doing it for 10 minutes, but then I was feeling very hot, so I closed the timer and then I opened. I closed it. Yeah. I'm so tired, oh my god. So I have done it for like 13 minutes long, almost. Workout and me, very bad combo. Every time I work out, I don't know why, but I get some muscle cramps and I get tired really quickly. And I think that's because I'm a very bad at physique. My physique is very bad. I'm very bad at physical exercises, so now I have taken this oath, yeah, that I'll be continuing with my exercises. At least 15 minutes a day I'll walk, because I don't even walk in my house, okay? I'm always at my house. I don't even go to school. Yeah. Oh my god, previous time I worked out, my doctor told me to not do it for another week. I'm so damn tired right now.
Oh my god.
Hi. So I'm done and I'm actually sweating, if you guys can see, yeah. All of my hair is wet because of the sweat and I feel very hot. No pun intended, okay? So right now I'm gonna be going downstairs, clean up a bit, and then I have to start studying. I'm planning on skipping yoga today because I'm already very tired and I need to start studying really quickly. So yeah, let's do that. Yeah. Hi, so here I am with my physics notebook, and I am going to be munching on these soya sticks and drink plenty of water because I'm very thirsty. I attempted JEE mains question and I was able to solve them. They were not really tough though. Hi, so I'm solving the practice sheet right now, and it will take me 2 to 2.5 hours to completely solve it. So it's been an hour, and I've done 30 questions till now. And right now, I am going to actually go to my room and study on a table because I feel very lazy here. I'm shifting to my desktop. I'm very tired. It's 1 hour 56 minutes now. And I'm on question number 52. So yeah, just 7 more questions. How many questions? 8 more questions to go. Yeah. Just had my breakfast. I'm sorry I forgot to show you guys, but I was very hungry, so I quickly ate, and now I'm back. It's 9:40, and I've studied for 2 hours, 3 minutes now, and I'm just on the last question. Yes. And guys, do you know what? In this practice sheet, there were many questions that I have not actually seen before, and that is because sir told us that units and measurements is not like a chapter that you can complete in a day or complete just after studying once. When you will move ahead with the other chapters, then you'll see that these concepts are being applied there, like the dimensions of force or like torque and all. So it's like you do it outside the questions. Okay, the tip is pretty cool. This is the best part. So I'm going to be attempting my practice sheet of botany. This first chapter only. This is left in biology. Otherwise, I've completed all the other 3 practice sheets. 2 from zoology and 1 from botany, and now 1 to go. So yeah, 70 questions, 280 marks. Let's see how well we do. A is the answer. A. But I don't know. I did not see that this is not A. This is A. And my this was like this. Okay. So this is was like this. Wait, why isn't it? Yeah, like this. So I did not really pay attention that this is B, this is C, this is D, and I was looking here and I clicked and I did this. Blah. Okay, great. I'm such an idiot. Actually, when I've read this question more carefully, I realized that it says certain bacteria. But we know that plasmid is present in most of the bacteria, so option D should be correct. Both the assertion and reason are false because the word certain has been used. And many students are fighting about that in the comment section. So here it is. It should have been more because I literally did 2 questions wrong, like at least 10 marks more because of my wrong click, and then 10 marks more because I did not read the question properly. So if I would have read it properly, then I would have scored 260 or something, yeah, out of 280. Okay, we learn from our mistakes, don't we? Now, what I have learned from or giving all these practice paper is that reading NCERT is very, very important, and not just once. Reading it again and again on a regular basis is very, very ultra important, because sometimes you are like, I know this concept, I know how to apply it, but suddenly you just when you encounter assertion, reason, statement, question, then you get bit flabbergasted that, oh my god, how am I gonna do it, because sometimes we know the concept but we don't know the right words. Someone said, कोई बताएगा कि कौन सा चैप्टर मैं पहले स्टार्ट करूं? मैं तो बोलूंगा कि आउट ऑफ सिलेबस पहले पढ़ो. आदित्य said, कोई जिंदा है, सब निपट गए. Hi guys, so I thought of making this video a bit more helpful by telling you how I read NCERT. So firstly, I obviously put my timer so that I get how much time I take to read the entire chapter, and I bring my highlighters, my pencil, and I start, okay? What I do is I read a paragraph and I try to recall everything that I have read in my mind before moving to the other paragraph. Hi, so right now it's been 3 hours because here only 2 hours being calculated, 1 hour on my laptop, and I am actually reading this chapter, cell division, and I'm gonna be reading it once and then I'm gonna be recalling everything that I have read, and I'm planning to read bio at least 10 times in a month. So yeah. And since I'm very random, I do random stuffs to my books like this. Hi, so I just took a break. I have not been studying really consistently from 20 minutes. I've been taking 5 minutes break. So why is that? Because I was filming a reel. I just got that idea in my mind and I was like, I have to film it. And by the way, guys, do you follow me on my Instagram? If you guys don't, then you should, because I just post everything there. Hi guys, so finally I am done reading NCERT. It's 3 hour 11 minute, took me 1 hour 10 minutes I think to read. So the main reason why this took me 1 hour and 10 minutes is because I was actually focused on actually remembering all the lines that are there in NCERT. Now my goal is to watch a lecture which is like kind of like a backlog. I was not aware that class was going to happen that day. Physics lecture of graphs, straight line, motion in a straight line. Yeah. ठीक है मेरे घर में माहौल डिस्प्लेसमेंट नीचे हुआ है धरती के लिए जाऊंगा मैं वहां पर बोले आपको चलेगा एक तो सीधा एकदम बैठे Hi guys, I've studied for 5 hours 38 minutes right now, and I'm planning on to edit my video right now because it's important to do that.